Okay, we're gonna do a different one today. If you guys don't recognize me yet, my name is Alex. I run an AI agency in Toronto. We help businesses and organizations from small, medium enterprise with AI adoption and getting AI into their workflows. But I wanted to do something a little different today. Been talking about the fears of AI adoption, people messing up their AI systems and not having a goddamn clue what to do. And a lot of people just hate AI. Like straight up, just they don't like the slop they see. They don't like how chatbots aren't working, stuff like that. But I wanted to bring some light to another side of AI that I personally really enjoy. And this was a song that one of my buddies showed me, and he's not a fan of AI slop, but admits himself like, this stuff is good. So I want to listen to some fake music. Literally, this channel is called Fake Music, and they take popular songs and AIify them, particularly with soul. So I really enjoy that. I love System of a Down, Toxicity. So listen to it a ton when I was younger. Let's listen to a more soul-filled rendition powered by AI, shall we? This is all done by AI, guys.
Conversion software version 7.0. Looking at life through the eyes of a tired heart. Eating seeds is the pastime activity. The toxicity of our city, Now, what do you want, world? What do you want, disorder?
Isn't this incredible?
Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Disorder.
So for me, like, sorry to interrupt. You guys can listen to the song when you want. I'll put the link to this YouTube video in our description. But wow, wow! If you guys don't like chatbots or data centers or any of the other more technical bullshit that goes into AI, you gotta have some appreciation for this. And this is the one beautiful part I really do feel like people are going to gravitate towards is AI can create such magnificent pieces of art, whether it be visual or audio. And this to me is like taking something I love already, like System of a Down, Toxicity, adding it to another thing that I love, those things fusing, and then just coming out with this. It's like, oh man. Okay, I'm going to stop talking.
More wood for their fires, loud neighbors, flashlight reveries caught in the headlights of our trucks. Eating seeds is a pastime activity. The toxicity of our city, Now, what do you want, the world? What do you want, disorder? Now, somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Disorder.
This part, wow. I mean, like robots, robots, guys.
Now, what do you want the world? What do you want disorder? Disorder. Now, somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Disorder, disorder, disorder. When I became the sun, I turned my head around. When I became the sun, I turned my head around.
Wow. Wow. I am like, guys, for me, this is like, let's look at the comments. System of a get down. I love that. I love the YouTube comments. You guys are hilarious. Feels like it could be a Bond movie intro song. I have a theory that basically says if a song is truly a masterpiece, it will sound pretty good, if not better, in other styles. Very cool observation. Software 7.0 hits differently. As a creative, this is both impressive and unsettling. And it's to me, this is the adoption frontier, guys. We need to be unsettled. We need to be jarred by this stuff. This is true adoption when we have everyday people, creatives, who feel like they might be getting threatened by artificial intelligence in their world, looking at something as beautiful as this and going, hey, like that was really good. And I'm hoping that artists who not know how to navigate the world of music are looking at AI tools and be like, hey, I can make that sound better, or I can redo this song and make it sound like this in my way or another person's way. Like I really do believe that it's going to be creatives who put together like incredible pieces, or just really really good music or really good artwork or video that shows everyone like AI is wicked. Like this shit is amazing, guys. Like holy shit. Let me see. This is way better than it has any right to be. These comments kill me, man. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can get some closer comments. If I was out at a bar and a cover band lit up with this, I drop all my damn cash in the chip jar. I can't believe how fire AI is going with music. Oh, I love it. And like we strive to get our clients to respond in this way. And I'm thinking to myself, like, drop all the AI automations, voice AI, API integration shit. Just make AI music because this is what people love. The guitar solo is crazy good. It was crazy good. I love guitar. I think the guys who can rip it up on guitar, crazy. The best System of a Down AI conversion I've heard. AI literally sang 7.0 as 7.0. Whoa! Playing soul is a pastime activity. Definitely. I need chop suey now. Look at that. More. Look at this request for more songs. So, and I'm gonna try and keep this one under 10 minutes. But I really do feel like this channel, Fake Music, man. I might do a few more reviews for the stuff you guys put on because it is remarkable. The types of content you're fusing together here from things that I love. So if you like if you hate AI and you want to poke more fun at it, let us know. Dislike the video comments. We love all the feedback at the agency here. But if you feel like AI might be creeping up on your heartstrings a little bit, and you liked what you heard here, or you liked sort of the things that I'm reviewing to show everyday people, hey, AI is not out to get you. There's some beautiful things that AI can do as well. Then 100% let's 100% let's try and figure out a way where we can. I'm getting distracted by work, where we can, you guys can let me know about the things that you want to see, and I can start to put together more videos that pretty much paves the way for people to appreciate AI and however they can, just so that we're not so inundated by fear all the time. Like fake music, you're gonna get my subscription here, just because that was amazing, and I'll be back for more. Bye now.